As my brother, how long we be together here?
Brother, how long we been together with Don Carlos? Brother, Jaba.
6 years.
6 years now. When Carlos is here,
6 years.
You know the real color of his inside. Good. Now, okay.
We need watch party.
Right.
In Tikidon.
Now, said you can also only share na edit was for 6 years. I said, we will be an abuse or a correct part.
Oh, a very sound mind.
Or sound mind.
Or sound mind. So, or a family man.
Oh, why you in my
my 6.
In classic.
Get for Mutie. Or why you ma? Why won't call 6? It do to baby now, Judge say.
You have cast me, son.
Ebia, not being man or mental problem. Or a racish manner, only problem.
Sound mind.
Sound the mind, yes, sound. Bruni Bacanyata. Good.
Okay, the sound of you, one, you are still. Na, say, no. Video by a viral, a cover bia other TV stations, radio stations, they can't want them. Ubia, a can't want them, Ubia, or can't fast video. No, so far, but you are got tonight, for boom. Now, what they got tonight, tray moo, edit, now, bro, for show. A busy work, Ghana for any more say. What high, you know, what caused damage to the state. What I say, we are causing financial loss to the state. They can't be. You know, so what causes the financial? Also, we can't say we cry.
Be a can be chill. We will answer about.
It's a Russia for Mr. Monsan share video. No, what share? Private man share you. Share till you can't share anymore. Share. One share. Why?
Answer.
All right. Video. No, I go viral. I didn't tell Cody Fufu ewo train Carlos.
Sesian Oba, Missu Mitchell at the crying tia.
Kasaye.
I don't Cody
Miss Mitchell.
Train.
No, Miss Mitchell at the
one a dit.
J'ai fait te montrer pourquoi j'ai mangé le foufou dans le train.
Tu ne sais pas de me Côte d'Ivoire, ça va de me quoi.
Je parle en français. I want to tell you why I eat fufu in the train.
Okay. Tell me.
Understand?
Listeners would like to know because in India,
nazo like sayo pona nini na lia fufu na batran.
Good.
I'm going into international way, you know. So, come on.
No.
I ate the fufu in the train
because they don't know how.
No, because you know I just come from somewhere, you know, and I'm hungry, man. You understand? So my sister gave me the food to go to house. So I was hungry. So if I'm hungry, some people eat.
You were hungry.
Yeah. Some people hungry.
Now we're angry.
I'm not hungry. I'm
hungry.
Okay.
So some people they eat pizza in the this, they eat donut in the this, they eat that in the this. So I said no. Why? I want to take this at home. So I want to show people that you know my culture. Even me, I have to eat there. I have to eat that. I have to wash my hand to show the niggas that you know, that everybody in the world that you know I can eat what I used to feel to eat all the time in my home. You know.
Now, where did you get the fufu? You said you went to your sister.
No. It's my sister who give me the fufu. Say, hey, brother, you know. You have to take this home to go eat. I say, oh, my sister, thank you. So when I was in the train, you know, man.
What's it? For coffee and a coffee.
But she used to make food for me all the time, man.
For coffee,
No, because I was feeling hungry. Because if I don't eat the train, I'm going to faint.
Oh.
So if I faint, then you're going to come and bury me to come and talk my story in this radio station. I'm alive, man. That's why I'm
So, where were you that your sister, at least you could have eat the fufu at your sister's place? Why is he fufu there?
You are a woman. You think too much. See, you know what? You know why? That. You know why that? Hello, my sweet baby girl.
Yeah, I'm hearing you. I'm all yours.
I say your intonation is too nice. You know.
Yeah.
You know why? That time, I have to take the food to the house, to my own house. Yo, I don't know what you're talking about. Let me, you cool down.
Okay.
So you know what? What? You know what? Go on.
Me sa wa ba so anu wa she ene fufuo man na nkasa wa ha. Enti no. Those sister na di fufuo no ma.
Yeah, man. But what the man, you know, I say me enter me confirm because me movement.
Now free he wo kwa adwuma na say wo kwa adwuma sa na wo kwa sister ho na say sen ene si bai because and I know my bra wa ko unu onu amu aduana. What do? You eat there?
No, me I used to eat in my sister's house all the time, but that day I cannot eat because I have to rush
to the house.
Yeah, man.
Number 2 wo yire e wo ma.
Oh, come on. I have 6 children, man.
And you have a wife?
No, I have my girlfriend.
Girlfriend? Yeah, girlfriend or wife or his wife?
I didn't marry.
You are not married, living girlfriend or other partner?
No. I'm married with the Spanish one. Sorry. I have 3 children, and now I have 3 children with the one that little one that she's with me.
And we active, Papa.
So I'm active man. So next time when I'm coming to your program, you buy me active man here. I'll come and drink.
It was an episode bisa questions. So we to me atro ewo Facebook. Mo we dey radio. Mo me watch party. No mo mra go dey radio because I say go dey radio Facebook na when I say me concentrating more. Mpese mo say about life. Nti say waba just join us. And our Mr. Jaban side also. Just join us from Gode Radio because watch party ni ya na entai nyina say o ma na etiko na we say yes sign restarting ni ade but radio ho de wo ba ho a wo in ni ope bia wo twra mehu na questions ni bi wo so a nipa ni bi ba me nhumo
hello
enti mesra mo ba so anu wa hye
I make sure say Gode Radio
nsam kakra wa ka no sam hu say
Gode Radio
o se o ma
Gode Radio
o ye normal person te se wo a wuti wa wo hwani ete se me a ete a
we be so the thing ya bo say wo so wo ma ana wo ba o nkwalанsia 6 children wo so ne wo so a bad example for your children.
No. You have to send a message to the guy that he don't know who he's talking to.
Dog do.
Yeah. It's dog do. It's a dog and do.
Don
Carlos.
All right. Mr. Mo, because
I never see a woman raising tears. Yes, I didn't. What
video no cover bia obi o Don Carlos on the ano ko di we train mu fufu se
fufu na chere bia no
fufu wo na kobi no ta de no su kobi
ene obo ko abro free stand ai
send no agina bia wo
bese wo bi o kwa no mu ina
sorry
good what bomb bia wo
I so mi ene
who started
wallahi ade do Allah abida de dadi o wallahi fufu de chin Allah ma shege
eti na fufu kobi na ti na da so na
no kobi no wo half ne da so na the thing no ho intinu who kobi no was no quite no be do who kobi no be say hallelujah kobi na say for Monica Krantu
Baka apa mo mani kra kan ho ene nka stress ba mo de be chew
nesa no be kobi ni mo moni aba mi
ene enye stress ba mo ba be di ni
ya
kobi ene mo moni ai
okay
kobi na ni left one and then was on as the right one no
What fufu say? What fufu say?
Come here, ni kum.
Na obi bisa say na ya ben kwan ana se nkate kwan.
Obi ati ya bisa be hwe.
Obi bisa se sia se fufu no. Omo hwe nkwa e wo se question bi o mbe bisa bi awan so obi say fufu nkwan no na sa ben kwan.
Omo bisa be mi wa answer.
Nti
Sabi ani di ye.
Nti kire say ya ben kwan ana se yen nkate kwan.
Omo kasa.
Obi sa o say na ya ben kwan ana se.
Kache ni say nkate kwan.
Nkate kwan.
Allah wallahi.
Wate mbacho wa awotro ya no wate o si na yen nkate kwan. E na ebi say ya mutuo na ya real fufu ana se banku ana.
Kache say fufu a ye kawo ye wo fie no enu bi na bi di wo ho.
Ti fufu na di
fufu na di ye.
We ya sure.
Mi na bi kache o.
Me ba macho se munya fufu no hwe ya monko.
Ko go dey ready wa da ho. E na ko Mr. Jaba ho so a da ho.
This time dem se ben show se obia kra.
E na o ma share no WhatsApp am obia ansa aka. Tu betuma ko hwe e ye fufu na odi ye. E na the reason so ne say
E komodi
no kwaje aduane ni free ne sister ho.
Manager. They say my embra so kakra. Wo kasa na wo say we sound.
Yeah.
We sound pa.
We sound.
Well, we say we sound.
100%.
Na wo ko di fo no ka che so ko di fo e wo train no.
Oh, uhum dia medical sachet here for me che obi a ohwe bia yesra na on video no so because me hu say asemba say ya na say wanu yi a obi no and come more than say assembly day atrend no nti we about say no enye say bia ya betena ha na bia ye dey ka boost ye ho na bibisa no nti say amanfo beti omo ho ase no especially omo negative comment no omo so beti omo ho ase omo say okay guy no this is the reason to it ono so didi ye nti obi a ne de nkoso so be de obehya mai mpacho question no bit myself busa bi
me say okodi fufu e wo train no no na tram no no o ka kire wo so kwa kodi fufu tram no no
elmum de na me ni ho idea
wan kan kire
me na the whole thing say
what
me nim say wakọ adwuma o yere me ne kasa before say me hu sa video no no ka chem so wapon adwuma na onu ko dika busam say me waduane o ha na nam no me ni fie ntimi nye dey no say o check ne sister wa yere okay nti o check the sister am say minimum after na me dey me ne kasa wie nti later na me hu say video no yere ever out no say ya ono comment no
ento ka che say enye mo na mu video
da me kwa video no timi by there to be frank nipa be blow mo so I say unim hu bi say no because enye easy sa
na video no unya first video unya unim nipa unya free no
first video no de ma minya first video no say un say first video no say etifo temi a me na mdi kan ye dey
e share the Facebook
o ta say de ma minya video no say ono no ne guy bi nanam menim say bi a guy no Cote d'Ivoire ni ya Carlos nti me so say guy na ye dey
a
video ye na guy no kura ma nya no ho minya no obi ho ba me hu say o ye Carlos no ena ma me share video no sana me hu no
ena aside that no say hu say amanfo obi musu didi trem ebi num tea ebi kukuru mu no de akosi restaurant ebi nso etimi ebi kura fa kura ba no watena so wo public trem mu o pese o ye no wiye na amanfo asori
no pese o ye
no wiye say videos no ma omo ye active wo internet no hu ewo Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp anyway na amanfo hu enti bia na enu bi ene jinja na oye saade na
oh okay to me me hu say after video no kwa ye me ne kasa ye ana o chese come na de no
na ba
enti enye intentional
kasa so wo hu unya video no first then ba wa dwen
me mom de me kasa me hu say boni bi wo ho a me hu because at the end of the day no enipa no odidi fine na bi anem so awodi no
on this table
yeah on this table bia because omo hwe na obi otie bia se na adwe be koso a say on say no odidi no say mo ye hu say na bro ni bi ti ne corner ho na the guy was very quiet or concentrated oh yeah chese obeka se bibia akra nye dey nsi ye enti me hu the reason why dia amafo be fa no two personal na they bring comment bi akra read out him say it's like I say who taking it two personal ni at the end of the day no say o share that no yeah
mistake na baby
na besides that police mechi no we nye police mechi onkon obi nkontokwa wo stress ba mu and enye fufu we a wodi no and de Ghana na say Africa so be de e be kofom because I'm
and I want to so amu am for obi kra kira wa Africa say na mu ka or say this guy is a disgrace to Africans.
No, you see it's a woman comment we say ya enipa no ye woni obi Africans aye o Europe a disgrace here e ma ye cut down corruption kura ni scam for do or be remember no kura yen kan ho asem no obi come the obi no akoje aduane o ni sister hop na o check be a distance o be kofi ne muwa no say no bi so bibia sete wa ha ma me ndidi me hu problem be e wo this is what one am abufu na wo negative commenter it's up to you obi awo the opeso ya na ho beto no e na German ha say no so na sorry Germany ha na ye wo no emra wa ha Strasbourg no anasa tram na yetinam no so obi abedi ho dance a obi a wo Germany ha bi abedi ho dance a hun say before say obetra anasa wo tram krampa ye wo warning signs bebre wo ma ade a obetima ye ana ade a wo de emphasis ade a wuntimi nye ya twero ni nyina wo enti mi so mi hu ni say ye ntwero say wuntimi ndidi wo
but am twero say ye nom alcohol
but me abas wa hwe hu amamfo problem pa ne say the guy has eaten fufu.
Next time.
Wait. So, I know na me tia say no. Say nipa no aduane ekura na adam moment
from the king no to and odidi.
Yeah, and go be I okay. O ta say what di fufu ni nti nipa bebere ntia say.
Na fufu.
Nti disgrace na me who say sa ono no 2 minutes.
Na who di fufu no ye no ye dan woro nsa. Na won so wo ho ana.
Na you ma to say no plastic
obi si wa.
Any ni so nyina ye dai.
E wo ho.
Away day. What did you normal as a normal person who be a didi away the war and so I the okon baby. And me who the reason why dear if you over my comment to be now one cause and I say you are worried about yourself. Look at this guy.
Instead of more for the case what bought dam no more dams are.
Obi Swatro say he wanted to trend. Let's just say and I said trend the brony bit me idea be not their Ginny din one time. It is an Obi Swatro I say o pese o trending tina o yes and no so e
Chao kachira ni bakuru se mi ma jidi wo mi wiase da enye ene na meji mi pese be jidi mi donipa
and now you entertainer so
come on then tell them to keep quiet, to relax, you know. I'm with them. The person that is giving you this comment, even the person is going to be my fans.
You know, me person me reply comment go out. Maybe.
Also, no much.
And doctor, no. I said the comment to be a woman. Maybe it seems like I said negative will be, but or attacking more. But why are you taking it too personal? You know. He said,
doctor, no.
Yeah, doctor, no. A disgrace to his children and all. And then you can so Kasasa brother. Every answer I want to say. Obia wo fi se de oya na ho beto no obetimi akondem say awu ni aka we dey wa nya dey next time en kudi di hobiem but who must have comment we nyina na also so wa check wa brabo also wa brabo 100% because of wakudi fufu nti you bore say okudi do na say okudi McDonald's be and they won't even problem because
of him portraying the culture
and this all guys say disgrace in say Ghana Yakobo wake up na the obeje wake up no kra no your man 4.5 na yeah budget more than 7 million and no kra nya disgrace obi fufu I come there now no wedding no any disgrace brother Mr. Ayare we throw any because we yes it seems like I say taking it too personal for so be any so what I say
na say no also man una manage no dia na o manage no dia
oh sisi ano me fan say more or less no Carlos or my brother until say management or say brother ni nyina the same but ye pese ye share ne ye me no to be frank say video we or here na am who say because me many course if you grandpa your producer and say for say the guy no you forget about say be am for man bad comment no the guy has real something ewonimu a obi act because like, guy and according to guy no crowd say we said OCD fufu na he was very serious and
very serious
everything now channel akese it is a commodore
na ofan kan no crowd butu ne kilogram say na fufu no crowd bi
na fufu ne san
na we nyamutre na we na kobi menim say wọ́n say my fa we no am di pa menim na moko so inside Charlie.
This is coming to our life. Mama, when I say when you baby, I'm kind of be a
Oba Passewa Bonsu, we a sound person, who live with your wife and children. Until nobody should judge you wrong.
Wrong, of course, yeah.
Say that she's beautiful.
And I better that could say, but the whites do eat donor in the pan.
Until and yes, we not come in Africa for 10 be a year cut down.
No, you have to
I did what I was a nipa show my who say nipa hello fee. Nti ya wa bi be a day and said nti be nipa abetena ho a odi donor no be a or ka or bite it. And a biso or the fork na esesa edition nanu. Nti wo so whereby I wouldn't fork I would won say dino. Me dey mean who anything wrong because nipa wa bebre so atro say who anything wrong.
Ras Boboso free Zaragoza, Spain. Also say if you eat Burger King, he also eats fufu. Bro, next time.
So what is the difference?
Next time, call me, invite me.
I will eat it.
You habla español.
Somos
españoles.
Español, chance obey invite.
Mi friend say
Ras
Bobo. Muchas gracias para tu comentar. Te lo juro de mi madre que me parió, eres un hermano que yo no puedo olvidarte en mi vida, ¿vale? Te quiero mucho, hermano, cuídate.
Primo,
es mi hermano, cuídate.
Cuídate también.
Yeah, radio station we know, international.
Yeah,
of course, yeah.
Sincèrement, et parce que my French for no
French
because French for ni na hu madam for Nigeria ni bi kra send bre me say now who be this na me say I don't know but I know you I don't want to explain. I don't want to
Uso se vai casar.
Não perde Graciano, não você da casa.
He's an African. He's portraying African culture. So let's leave him. And this is not the first video. African ADG ewo tremo alai
me who say obika say ya nimguasia and I say disgrace am pato de nyabutana na kasa me mentiasi o animguasia any disgrace any dey
for him eating the fufu
and obi a wo he bia imagine say for example say dia ebia wo tu kwan wo titire mu na wo ko ba bi na aduane kurawo na wo so wo he ba bi a wo ko no ebitima ba say bi kwan pa tire no ebia ba bi a wo ko na mfa nkotu ebitima say si kwan so nti aduane na kurawo no nti wo be hwe say ebeye nimguase ama say ubedi na amafo beka so ade na udi say aduane we nimguase ma nti undi na ekom ne wo me hu ade a ye disgrace obetimi aka say wo ne nya adwen say ade na okudidi oba mu enu ye wo adwen but still kura no say wo tie nipa ne reason why enjoy there odi kodidi ye o ta say nti say bia ono ankasa tena ono hwe ade no say ade am ye ma anya ade na say ono a so ye nipa obetimi aka say o ade am ye mi ankasa ma ye there but me dia me hu say aduane sabi wan kosmoki wanko wanu bi anko kontokwa sebi wanko bo ba bi kura to training ana wanko bi bi atem otase abofo no nipa bebre hu ye according to ono kro ka chemsa manfo no mu ahase de
video abofo no kra video
they were laughing sa no mano enti mi hu de because bronia anko bia ni woni yonko broni bia no obaka chese de waye ana se no ono mfa no ho
na se broni fufu no broni kwedi fufu nkwan bia ni wabanwo o se
ye bia no ye dia no so for yasa fufu so no nkwan ka ho no ntibi ka se twetwa fufu no nkwan we o so de nkwan he dai
apart from fufu no umpe any finger food a ye tonton na bonte pan no promise ni we no wani nyi sa de
man madam ndi won fa sa bia ni for zango bia
no obisa me question madam sasa mu no bisa me da so bisa me a we go full
obunya kwantu
me sorry every day as a man fufu man grease a problem
open ye mu eden
because my wife or rice crowd the mamia
you are not satisfied
no because I said di kura me brother wani wonu kwa give me the rice no but me fufuo na medi oma bodam say me ko ho a
me ni obi atam
no me say oma bodam say me say oma bodam a fufuo nu na me ka chere fufuo nu say wa bodam e say intina bodam me ko ni fufuo nu
ya person obi a be di atam wa ha intina so
no so mo di atam ko a
enti alafo ne etie for so wa baso na say bi a wo o pesa wo share wo view ana so o pesa wo frɛ no e bi ana question na ye bisa no usu die bi wo ma ye misai enti ya tro telephone number na ye WhatsApp so wo Germany ha e like and na woni Germany ha so the German code ni be di kan 0049 1521 38 37579 me sense su bi 0049 1521 38 37579 enti wo asemi sabia Godei my friend no bisa no wo mra nkomo yede koso enti mesra wo ba no wa hye
na me so me dia me bisa se tu tama wo hu se wadi fufu na wie no after month the fufu no wo wife say no se react here
ko fie no amro
wo video no
chane se sia no se me kan kan chira se me kan be chira se wo fufu se sia akura odi mami a me chira se da bedi me wife no wono any problem
fighter
se de bufu a e fa be ho ban
oh
me ye wo mi wo fufu mu me ye fufu mu da kwa se le kura be di
da kwa se apan
unim dan kwa se sa apan
me di da kwa se le kwan ela me di friend say nkwan nu bebre kura
de ena ade nso amamfo
ene na omo problem
ade ba ko anu na comment ne bebre na ma obi susu kan say o say o didi no I say ai apotoria na o tam ye na o ye dai me na ba o betima sa bo video no ba ko bu afi no wa ba on so video no ko ka no
me man
ba wono so ba ko na
ti fufuo no wa wunya hu fufuo no ye nua be ma ni fufuo na o di no de utim se why you serious e wo train no mu a o se onti obi a case se wo ho e kom ene de no wan sheda se o kodi fufuo no dia babe provoke ana so dia babe didi Africa for atem enu ye onu ani mai o se kom de no nti se wo hu a to say we see ne ti ase a o twa nkontomoa no na we no we chire kakra enti no but still wo tin no say ne e konyina say wo enti no adofo say wo
focus kakra
eni
okra o say wo ti apa wa na me ma konyina so ara
ni na di o se onu nko da pato you wan tue ni ti a chese e koni yi e koni square na chese sa djuma bi eni enu aba ma ko di no stress
ba so di ko bi no e free be ball na nim na ko bi ti da so ofa ibe napkin se ne pa na nim so tell Don Carlos I like him too much Felix I see do Don Pre o se
obi na friend
na mi aje o pa o fufu na o di
hello
ntino
hello
ajwa
mbacho wana ka say mbacho bi na
hello good day
Ras what one
ku na ya
aha na
say
bako o ka sa friend
America sa free Spain Zaragoza
Ras bobo Afro GH and GH Afro Radio and
Afrobeat GH Radio.
Afrobeat GH Radio, Zaragoza, Spain. The director of the radio station.
Yeah. Catch Don Carlos. What's your friend? Don Carlos.
Don Carlos, yeah.
Don Carlos, catch him. Me, I don't know. On goes to stand on promoting your culture, because from the Bitman, bring you the father instance and this instance. Oh, bring you because more from this grace or more. What I say, the way you disgrace, Bronyini anana ma adwaka bikura timfa Donald King ne kika ona oba ti odi ene enya ore odi ase
Nso bon gale ki na o
no nko aso de kodi fufu odremu a oso nti ase o promote African culture na nkata Don Carlos misi fufu na sa wu be dia o de free free Spain me no ba be dia ko mu odremu nti ase bia no onko report
Muchacho, no te preocupes, yo soy contigo. Lo que tú me estás diciendo es lo que me voy a hacer, ¿vale?
Así es, dile que yo le quiero mucho.
Muchas gracias. Vamos a hablar siempre.
Comiendo como está haciendo.
Okay, nem pacho na sindo ba ko sisi.
Dile que se come siempre nuestra comida. Eso es lo que me gusta.
Pacho, oye avisan pa come to picture.
Me pacho. Right, Bobo.
Yeah, that's yeah, do better.
That's why first you are in trust you for. All right. Hello. Me pacho ngani?
I'm good radio.
Hey. Director of modern Radio Ghana. Ghana Radio. Oh, Ghana direct.
This is we are connected. We are from.
Directors in the friend radio.
Action.
FM stations and directors in the friend. Omna di kan friend no. International. O ko ni pa. Don Carlos wa hati no.
Me free Kumasi.
Okay.
Na me ni jin komo na mo di twene ho. Me video no. Nya na February.
Okay. Big Joe.
Hello, good day.
I'm saying feedback you know also.
On radio no. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Me patch all right.
Yeah,
video no. My share video no. My share no be pray. Na me person me bisa no. Ensam kakra me hu ye no. Chuma dimo no na me hu ni se o share da no ye video no. But say what cheche mu say e kom na de no na o ye video no. Na de na me pese me bisa ne say o say wo hwa ayi when training mu na o te no. E de ane no esite esi we say table so. Ena ayua pese me hu ni say ni sister na de aduane ne ma no the table no can.
Okay. Abi, you hear what they talk?
I answer them.
If I was study for my on my table. Eka on se okwa first year e train mu na didi.
Bisa me say if na o oni mi kasa o bisa me say.
Ghana.
Yeah.
Look maze.
Oh. Catch and say my sorry cry.
Why sorry say? So the table ko wana na.
Chale, enya easy.
Nti there was
we table no mi ko to e say mi command me ba.
Yeah, what they kasa.
Mi ko to e say mi command me ba. And I'm to table no. Small table, small chair. Me friend Juma na bi ko to.
Ya nkwala ni jina so pasty so.
Yeah. Nti me famista na Mr. Kache bi say o chale. Ese ano ese utrase na odidi na bekacha bisita se no minti trase ese min coffee na mi ko check nkora no because nkora no ma ye one of ye so what you say nti mi ko check nkora no na me hu say no e comedy me nti aduani a mi odi ma me na mi bia na mi
table na wato
oh se obi asna mi na wori ato ho a ese me na o ka no ka je se wo ho asana mi ko mi nya aduani no ana mi ye bi se wo aho bi a ese wo ye ko na woni mi kasa ku da mi kasa ku da e chili together.
We done. Bijo wate.
Martina se pa sama waka no Matias na me tena se dwen ho a every say one o table so say dem kan no ufu yi so no da yuwa mu enti se wo sister kura wonim se wunya time na onim se de ya na wo tena yini mu na obedi se de wo ka che ni se why you busy was so kwhwe nkura nti wo tena ayimu a obedi di no wo de betu bo mu na nka wakata so wedi ayua nti wana anase fufunu okay obi ho di fufunu na enya ayu man
ai sasa o me kwa o me
Now you want to show one answer.
Now you want to show one out of first that you would try one with the mouth.
Bisani say say apota you anu.
Ne wa he. Wo sister de kan one answer. Na say no so to eni akonya no.
No. Say onu obisa misa question do a ti say bi sa odi ma mi ana ma bito ni nyina de akonya no a meka je say bato ni nyina because say onu wo ya Africa ni na mi wa broche na wo say mi didi wa asakamu na wo bisa mi question we no mo a
Dabio utie no question no bisa na tangible say
because I'm on to
apota you are
Bijo
The
battery just
woni na so na ya we a obi so
frɛ the line so
utie apota you are na ebeka ho no ene ma amanfo doubt say ebi a wo share da
no because apota you are no
apota you are ni free and I will free sister
man my sister no want him say me no my sister want him say me person me did you apota you are all the time
ore nya betere ma Bijo battery nya so
you apota you are no
okay yo and Bijo ye da was fire be kasa wo actually why
did you apota you
yo ye da that was can bibia all right yo right okay obi so phrases here but
into the trim
me clear
o me messenger obetuma frɛ o braja ba messenger obetuma frɛ o gode ya na o gode radio so obetuma frɛ na uni yemu bia friends so a telephone number no wo screen no so obetuma frɛ na wo so watch we bisa wo question senia question ne ba mpacho
normally Carlos Tree no na say shada maye but question obusa na is simple we nya say bia I say chinchina say and say bra pani unim the whole thing is normally no ono no to be frank me oba me fie kro no apoto we omu na oyedai opedidie but me hu ni say I say tam okoye no na sister no I ready so 7 money transfer dey edidi but them say because of nimre na wanya na say for no time the whole thing here dey edi share sa bag because who him kra hu say nsuo su sinchen o ta say say na me hu no normally onu didi ariwam
hello
me bacho ye fa kola hello Mbacho what I say?
Good evening, FM Castro. Metasa free
Stuttgart. Okay, right. So what so journey program no?
I'm going to join program like I am me chairman like a program.
NHL what you was right. Castro.
Edika me chair Don Carlos. Money to my power. Say with me portray African culture no.
Yeah.
Because I'm not funny because I say very funny. I'm say very funny. And I'm not funny because also I'm going to phone pa because your name of for I'm not for the show and my who's in a money for
Goderick.
I want to say the way no. I the bonnet and I say I didn't go see it. It won't feel say I did a big African for the mass. But the African funny again is I prefer common things because Bruni so yeah. Oya de win yim ya de open oya de on dwen de we ka fa ho negativity am for be ka fa ho ono so oya de man ni age so enti na me hu say de me ye brand here ne de
Tough
enya de wa yam fun so tough because we have video no video do enya send man can go viral as I say video ne almost 1 million 1 million views ana we enya no enti me hu say money to my power we say cry sit in mana konya wanji I was something portray for because you be the name for photo money you for and I'm gonna for them the own send it for there because I am a brother missing them back up and consider about so me black in the bar
and he opposite say wo say our kasa we Castro na Carlos ubusu ni ba
I am a brother in the park and see a cracker.
We are not dream or any mental problem.
No, Carlos, there was a Carlos in Nipebia. Say, only be our banner. Any Carlos and Nancy, me brother, and you mean I'm for any Emmanuel Cosijaba. First, I'm at Hanover. Oh, now Carlos said, one in Shadan Nantea. Before, say, will be a said senior Okana. But, and yes, Carlos in Nipebia. who be or phobia sending you Anna Carlos Nimba before. Tambia Carlos Neniaji.
Oh, entertainer.
Because so Menoka on class 6 have class phone now woman yadi. I very responsible man on inquiring in Atia or no Konejuma or Henema. Inti so catch them the service Carlos Nadrian na Bibisa. Na se wo na onim Carlos ntina wo kire wa adwen.
Okay.
Ya ni media ni se Carlos de na adwen de wunda ho pa. Problem ye ni but ono yo bia o ejobi o ya de mama fo leji. Ona na busfufu. Ani ade ama me de penasem. Inti mechi ame bra panyi Emmanuel Kosijaba na edwuma o ye. Omo custom mbo adwuma. Na mo portray your culture no ma ewiase nyina ho. Enti medasi.
Yo, Castro was here that's pay, right? The chance you got for you now. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I was for with me, also with me, friend, Ebisa Carlos.
Now, so watch your watching.
Watching what we open the watch the farm be I say, open about the body and all their man. Question be was on to Bisana or ready, no Bisano. A chill so the manager so I know a year on a queer name. Sanity. Go the radio near Tino.
Go day radio.
I was for said, sanity. It is a one phone. Carlos could do a train no Rwana
at that go day radio
the home
Oka Uber Fufu no real Fufuna Mr. Jaba no so at the home Oka Uber Bacho or Bibi Kaka.
Yes, the person catch up say go day radio. It just say go day there radio.
Go day
there. That's a wow. What about radio? Into the FM go day radio no but
go there
there radio.
There's a good one for day
remember Wakaha
only baby abeko
Allah ya sini nyina kwa amuhuni
Allah wallahi
cikin duniya kuna gani na inda cikin gode radio ni da gode muke nan da matar muke nan mu duka muna nan wallahi Allah ba wasa nake yi ba ina gwada muku cewar ba sunan ba ruwan mu cikin duniya duk abin da ya zama gaskiya muna fadewa Allah ba wani shegin da zai gaya mu da abin da ba gaskiya bane ga munan dai ga manager na ga sister na ga brother na godiye da kan shi na nan shi yasa ku yi shiru ku yi